Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a little bit of eyeshadow bingo. I'm super excited. I went ahead and I got out my Makeupgeek Mega Matrix palette. You guys know I absolutely love these. I did a whole video on these eyeshadows and I use them all the time. I always have them on the side of me in case I need them for a look. If you haven't checked them out, please do. You can build your own palettes. You can get the full palette like this. They sell quads, all kinds of stuff. I'll link Makeupgeek's website down below. Also, I quickly want to say, please excuse the lighting again. I spent about 45 minutes trying to rearrange my lights and trying to see how it could work best. I'm rolling with this right now because I do have to get going with my day. So thank you for being patient with me. If you're new around here, welcome. My name is Jackie. I am happy you're here and I hope that you will take the time to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you'd like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come back and watch them. And yeah guys, let's get into the video. Okay you guys, I zoomed you in just a little bit and I have my little baggies here. If you remember, there is 4 of them because the way that I do this is I have my palettes and this is row 1, row 2, row 3, and row 4. That is how Marlena does it. I got the idea from her. I'm not sure if she's the original eyeshadow bingo person, but that's where I saw it and I really liked her little method. So the reason that I do use these eyeshadow palettes is because you can buy these in singles and so on and so forth, as I explained in my intro. But let's get into it. So we have row 1 and I'm just gonna mix it up here a little bit. I don't remember what colors I got the first time around, so I'll probably just use whatever comes out. So let's see here. This is Have Me at Yellow. So I popped that right into my magnetic palette. And now we move on to the second one. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I always get nervous about these things. And then this one is Blushing Beauty. And we have a row 3 right here. Two fell out, but I'm keeping the one that was in my hand. And that is Take It for Granted. Take It for Granted. I'm hoping the next one comes from the color side because... Oh, hold on, refolding this one. And let's hope we get a nice little bright color because so far we've gotten from the neutral side. So, okay. Let's see. This one is Give Me the Dirt. Okay, you guys, so this is our color story. Have Me at Yellow, Blushing Beauty, Take for Granted, and then this one was Give Me the Dirt. This one right here. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay you guys, so I went ahead and I primed my eye. I just used a little bit of concealer today, nothing major. And we're gonna go right into Have Me at Yellow, and that's gonna be our first little transition color. I kind of wanted to do the, oh my god, what is it called? Like Fox Eye look, but I was kind of thinking last time that I did this, I did do kind of like a winged liner with the eyeshadow, so I just didn't want to do the same thing again. And I figured we'd go maybe like dark smoky eye. So then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this shade right here, and we're going to pop it as a second transition shade. Just kind of want it like for a little bit of a soft pink pop of color. So I'm actually going to want this shade all over the lid. So what I'm going to do is use a little bit of this just to deepen up the inner and outer corner, almost like a really dark halo. Then I'm going to go take that last shade and we're going to put it in the center here. And then just going back and forth into the two lighter shades just to build up a little bit of the darker shade to help it transition up, I should say. And then dabbing into this shade, making sure the outer and inner corner are nice and blended. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I zoomed you in because I realized that from far away the shadows look like the exact same color, and up close honestly they look the same as well, but I feel like you could see a little bit more of the detail. So I usually tend to put my darker colors on the outer corner and then the lighter shade in the middle. In this case we don't really have a light shade. Well, we do, but we wanted to go ahead and use all the shadows, so I went ahead and I put the lighter grayish color on the sides and then that darker color right in the middle. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but it just gradiates into darkness from the outer and inner corner, and it almost catches the light right in the middle because it is so dark. I feel like somehow it's just like bam a little bit more than it is on the outer and inner corner. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply the shadow on this eye, and then there is a foundation that I want to try with you guys today. I bought it when I did my drugstore thing and I thought it was powder. It wasn't. You will see. So give me just a moment, let me put on this side and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished that eye, and I went ahead and I primed my skin as well. It's ready for foundation. I used the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer, and I also used my Makeup Forever Step 1 for my nose. And so the foundation that I want to try with you guys today, excuse the packaging, that's how it got here to me, but it is the Milani Cream to Powder Foundation, and it looks like this. Have you guys tried this? Like, oh my gosh, I absolutely love their Milani Conceal and Perfect. Like, I love it. So I'm hoping that I love this one as well. We shall see. I'm gonna go in with my sponge, and I think I'm just gonna, I don't know, load it up on my sponge. I don't know how much is too much. We shall see. And it's supposed to be like cream to powder. So I'm gonna maybe try to not set my face. I don't know. We'll see. So far, I want to say that it definitely makes the skin look like smooth, which I like. The only thing that I worry about cream products is that they'll make me like more oily. I don't know. I feel like even when the product itself isn't oily, it tends to bring out more oils from my skin. Okay guys, let me see if I can fix this lighting, because I feel like already it's probably looking off, and I promise the shade is not that bad because I like to go a little lighter, but it's not as light as it's looking at my screen. Hold please. Okay. Okay, so that is completely on. Let me go ahead and zoom you in here. That way you can see it. The color might look off, but I promise it is not that off to what I usually use as my liquid foundation. So let me go ahead and zoom you in, and then you can take a look. Okay guys, so this is what I'm looking like. Again, hopefully the color is not too off now that I'm zoomed in. But if you can see, it's kind of laying on top of my nose, like instead of with the nose, if that makes sense. But everywhere else, like on my cheeks and my chin and stuff, it's, I don't know, laying really nicely. Like, I like it. My skin has been pretty dry, so I don't know if that's why it looks like that right here and right here. But I don't know, I kind of like it. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. When you touch it, it does not feel like sticky or like foundation-y, if that makes sense. I just, out of habit, I feel like I need to set it, but I'm gonna try to fight the urge. I don't make promises. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup. I'll speed it up for you guys, and then we will see what it's looking like at the end. Okay. Okay guys, so I got that all on, and that completes the look. I hope that you really enjoyed it. This was our color story again that we had to work with, and these shadows again are from the Makeupgeek Mega Matrix palette. Actually all of these were from the neutral one. I didn't get any from the color palette this time around. If you guys still enjoy these videos, let me know. I will gladly film more of them for you guys. If you have any questions about any products on my face, check the description. If I miss something or I forget to list the stuff, let me know in the comments and I will do it for you. If you haven't checked out Alamar Cosmetics and Vive Cosmetics, you guys, they have probably my favorite lip liner, Alamar Cosmetics, and lipstick is the Vive Cosmetics Mija shade. I love that shade, and that's what I have on my lips right now. Together they just make like this perfect terracotta-y kind of shade, and I love it. Also, I quickly want to mention, you guys, I am almost 10 months on YouTube. I cannot believe this. And I am almost uploading my 100th video. So if you're not subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed, because I'm hoping that I can make it a little special for you guys. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I would like to do something special for you guys. And I believe this is video number 98, so we're very, very, very close. And again, thank you guys for all your support, for coming and watching, and just know that I appreciate you guys. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next one. Adios!